In today's video, I will walk you through how to edit a price alert on investing.com. Market conditions change in a heartbeat, and your price targets need to keep up. But what happens when support breaks and you need to shift your alert level without starting over from scratch? Today, we're breaking down how to quickly edit your active price alerts on investing.com so your setup stays sharp. Let's dive in. First, open up investing.com on your desktop or mobile app and make sure you're logged into your account. Instead of searching for individual assets to change alerts one by one, head straight to your command center. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Alert Center tab. This pulls up a clean master list of every single price alert you currently have running across stocks, crypto, and Forex. Find the alert you want to adjust in your list. Right next to it, you'll see an edit icon, usually represented by a small pencil or gear. Click it to open the modification window. From here, you can instantly update your target price to match new resistance or support levels, toggle your trigger conditions between crossing up, dropping below, or percentage changes, adjust whether you receive the update via push notification, email, or both. Hit Save, and your updated parameters go live instantly. Regular check-ins on your alert list ensure you're only tracking what matters right now. As market conditions continue to change, you can return to this section at any time to make additional adjustments. Keeping your alerts updated ensures they remain relevant to your trading strategy and current market outlook. And that's how to edit a price alert on investing.com. By updating your existing alerts instead of creating new ones, you can manage your notifications more efficiently and stay informed whenever the market reaches your chosen price levels.